When do the people give gifts or presents in your country?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
When do people give gifts and presents in your country?
Well, if I talk about my own, my original country, where people mostly give gift on their special occasion, like whenever someone have their birthday or their anniversary, like these kinds of events, then people like to give the gift. And another thing, most of the people like to exchange the gift during the festival seasons, like on Diwali. On Diwali occasion, most of the people exchange a gift with their relatives and with their loved ones, and it also bond their relationship, and they have the time to cherish their friendship, and also some they feel very special when they gift someone. So that are number of for festivals when people exchange the gifts in my country.
Do you ever take a gift when you visit someone in your country? Sorry, in their home. Do you ever take a gift when you visit someone in their home?
Take uh, well, I if I talk about myself, I don't take every time gift when someone visit my home, because sometimes it is not favorable, and that is not a situation when we take a gift, like when someone in a trouble, and there is a serious situation at home. So that is not like the situation when we exchange or take the gift from everyone, or sometimes we you don't have to give the gift to anyone.
When did you last receive a gift?
uh, uh, last gift that I received from my husband during on my wedding anniversary, and that was a mobile phone that I received last December, on 1st December, when I had a marriage, when we had a marriage anniversary. On that occasion, my husband gave me the Apple mobile phone, which is newly launched brand. That was a Apple 17 Pro. 17 Pro Max with the orange color. I really like this gift, and most of the time I received gift from on my birthday or my anniversary, especially from my husband.
Do you enjoy looking for gifts for people? Do you buy gifts?
Yes, of course, I definitely enjoy gifts when I visit gift shops or any mall. I like to purchase the gift for my family and also my friends whenever there is a quite special occasion. Then I definitely like to buy something unique and unique and precious, for which have the values very precious. So I definitely like to buy according to the requirement of requirement of the person, which also fulfill the basic needs of the person. Like last year, I gifted
From
a smartwatch.
describe something you did that was new or exciting. Bullet points are why you did, where and when you did, who you shared the activity with, and explain why this activity was new or exciting.
Well, there are numbers of things that I enjoyed in my life that was very new, and that was the first experience, which was the first experience. But here I would like to talk about 2 years ago when I went to a Manali trip, which is a beautiful hill station. I went with my family, in-laws family, and with my parents. On that time, I enjoyed paragliding. This activity was very new to me because that was the first time when I saw some people to enjoy that activity, and I was curious to try this activity, and on during this activity my husband and my sister also joined me to cheer this movement, and we tried first time that activity, so that was little nervous, and I had a more excitement to enjoy that activity, because when I looked the other people who
Stop,
enjoyed that activity.
stop. Why do you think some people like doing new things? Why people like to do new things?
Well, some people are very adventurous and they like to enjoy new things because they are more experienced. They like to do everything new and they gain experience and knowledge. And sometimes we learn from our experience. So that's why we try new things. If I talk about myself, I also enjoy to do new activities or new things that can enhance my confidence, and also I'm motivated to do more activities on
What
which are very.
problem? What problem can people have when they try new activities for the first time? What troubles they can face?
uh, when someone try a new activity that was very first to them oneself, they sometimes feel very nervous because they have the fear of fallen, and sometimes they feel very anxiety and more other things regarding the outcome and what happened when they try that activity. So there are little things that people can face when they try new activity, like stress, anxiety, or nervousness.
Hmm. What kind of things do children learn to do when they are very young?
Sorry, ma'am, can you repeat the question?
In the young age, what kind of things children like to learn?
Uh, well, if I talk about nowadays the young children like to do everything that they see their parents can do. Like they try that kinds of activity. Nowadays, people are very young children are very materialistic, and they like to learn about different varieties of car that are now as toys, and they learn how to use a car and how to operate it. That things from these things are those things are not we are familiar with those things, so they are very crucial to learn about that things. And the other thing, they more excited to learn about the technology, because nowadays that are very useful, and everywhere technology or mobile phones are used, so they are more interested to learn how to use mobile phones and internet, and these kinds of things are more encourage the children to engage and influence the things, like the advertisement on the internet, and the games that children like to play online, so that kind of things children more likely to do as compared to other physical activities.
That is the end of your speaking.